Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 12 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items on this smartphone. So firstly, remember one rule: never use the metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So firstly, you need to take the cover off. Then insert one part of the toothbrush into the connector and just brush the dirt out. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.